The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Pittsburgh Bureau of Police and the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. All residents within a 50-mile radius of downtown Pittsburgh must seek an underground shelter or evacuate immediately. A 13-year-old kid named Max Snyder has multiplied to a massive number using an unknown device and is causing massive damage and destruction to the city. The cause of this may be because the kid has become angry for an unknown reason. At this time, all residents within a 50-mile radius of downtown Pittsburgh must seek an underground shelter or evacuate immediately. Grab essentials such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phone, chargers, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. Make sure you have the longest possible supply of each item as possible. If you are attacked by a Max Snyder clone, use armed protection by all costs. Have a battery-powered radio with you. And listen to local media outlets for updates as they become available.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All of the Max Snyder clones have been taken down thanks to the U.S. military. The original Max Snyder is back home but facing serious injuries. The danger to civilians is over. All civilians may now exit shelters. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. Thank you for your cooperation.